Hi everyone, welcome back to class. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to find the difference between two numbers using objects and pictures. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to do the following. To use cubes to represent numbers. To compare two numbers and identify the gap between the two. To put a value on the gap between two numbers. If you've seen the previous lesson, which group has more? Which has fewer? There are fewer pears than plums. There are more plums than pears. Which vegetable is longer? Which is shorter? The carrot is shorter than parsnip. The parsnip is longer than the carrot. This is Harry. Harry has some strawberries and some raspberries. Can you see a gap? Harry builds towers of cubes to represent the strawberries and raspberries. How many raspberries will fill the gaps? 3. You can see it, just 3. The value of the gap is 3. There are 3 more strawberries than raspberries. There are 3 fewer raspberries than strawberries. This is Cho and Ben. Cho has some red apples. Ben has some green apples. They represent them with cubes. You can see them? Can you see a gap? Can you find the value of the gap? The value of the gap is 4. Repeat after me. The value of the gap is 4. There are 4 more red apples than green apples. Say it after me. There are 4 more red apples than green apples. There are 4 fewer green apples than red apples. Now, let's talk about the word difference. In math, the word difference is used to describe the gap between two numbers. Look at this. Can you see a gap? What is the difference? 3. The difference between the numbers of cube is 3. There are 3 more red cubes than blue cubes. What about this? Can you see a gap? What's the difference? 4. The difference between the number of cubes is 4. There are 4 fewer blue cubes than red cubes. Say it after me. There are 4 fewer blue cubes than red cubes. What's the difference between the number of fruits? Tom said, I have 5 oranges. Awa said, I have 8 plums. We can represent each value with cubes. Can you see a gap? Can you find the value of the gap? 3. What is the difference? The difference is 3. There are 3 more plums than oranges. There are 3 fewer oranges than plums. What's the difference in the length of the vegetables? How could you use cubes to help? These represent carrots and these represent chili. Can you see a gap? Can you find the value of the gap? 5. What is the difference? The difference is 5. Repeat after me. The difference is 5. The carrot is 5 longer than chili. The chili is 5 shorter than the carrots. You might be asked to find the difference using words, more or fewer. Meg said, I have 2 peaches. Ali said, I have 9 peaches. How many more peaches does Ali have? We can use cubes to help us find the difference. Can you see a gap? Can you find the value of the gap? 7. Ali has 7 more peaches than Meg. How many fewer bananas are in box A? We can use cubes to help us find the difference. Can you see a gap? Can you find the value of the gap? 4. There are 4 fewer bananas in box A. Look at this picture. There are 10 children. There are 4 oranges. How many more oranges are needed so that the children have 1 each? 6 more oranges are needed. Can you explain how you know? 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. We can also use a number line to help us find a difference like this. From 4, we count how many steps are there to 10. Are you ready? I want us to count it together. Don't repeat after me. We are going to say it together from 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps. And that will be all for this lesson on how to find the difference between 2 numbers using objects and picture. I hope you enjoyed the class. Now, you can use cubes to represent numbers. You can compare 2 numbers and identify the gap between the 2. You can put a value on the gap between the 2 numbers. See you on the next class. Bye.